My dear colleagues and my loving students, and especially the esteemed outgoing fourth year student. Today we all assembled here to say goodbye to our outgoing student. Actually, I don't like to give you any farewell or like that, anything like that. I would like to congratulate you that you have successfully completed the graduation you have done. And during this 4 years, you kept this department lively. I praise your pursuit of knowledge, and I think you developed yourself enough during these years you spent in Kurigram Government College. However, this is not the end. This is the beginning of a new chapter. You have to start a new journey. Journey towards looking for a job, taking responsibility, and to strengthen your shoulder on which a beautiful lady can keep her head very reliably. So, this is not the ending, this is the beginning. This is the beginning towards another journey. I think you will use your knowledge and morals, your values, your principles to the next journey you are going to face. I hope for the best for your future. You have heard many advices, so I don't want to linger anymore. At last, I would like to thank all of you for your patience hearing. I also especially thank Jyoti ma'am and Mushfiq and Shobuz for organizing this program. And Kamrul and Olu did enough. I have seen them the last week from the last 7 days. They are extremely busy for this occasion and as well as for the Viva.